Hey everybody, Jamie here, and it's giveaway time, yeah! Alright, so once again, we are doing a giveaway twofer. This looks like fourfer, but I really just mean twofer. Twofer! That means I'm going to be giving away materials from two different Do It Girl projects. The first thing I'm giving away is materials from my pressed flowers DIY. I actually have leftover flowers that I didn't use during the project, so I've pressed them in this watercolor pad, and I'll send that to you. And I have 2 extra picture frames, so you have somewhere to show off your pressed flowers. Speaking of which, I was also explaining during the video that you could do candle votives, so I'm going to include 4 candle votives and a whole bunch of candles. Like a whole bunch of little tea lights. They're all pink and beautiful and will go very, very well in your room for spring. Speaking of flowers, I've got some leftover flower fabric from my decorating jeans DIY, so you can go ahead and use this for patches or to put over your back pocket. And I'm also going to be giving away the bleach pen and sanding sponge that I used in my video. A lot of you didn't know where to get these materials, so now you can get them for free. And finally, just for fun and inspiration, I'm going to be giving you the actual jeans I did for the video. It's got the pockets already done and the words already bleached. And just so you have something to work with, I got this really adorable Abercrombie & Fitch jean skirt for you. So I'll throw that in there so you can decorate it as much as you like. All right, so that's it for this giveaway. And if you've watched my videos before, you know the drill. Go ahead and follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, or subscribe to this channel. And then go ahead and holla at me using the hashtag #FlowerGirl. Nope, I already did that one. What should we do? Do a different one. Hashtag #SpringGirl. I'll choose a winner within a week or 2. Speaking of winners, congratulations to Vasquez_Ariana or Ariana Vasquez for winning the last giveaway. You rock. All right, you guys, good luck. And don't forget to watch Girl.com every Wednesday for a brand new episode of Do It Girl. Bye, guys.